Hey guys, welcome back to another brand new episode. And today we'll be creating a very simple poster design which is gonna look something like this. It's very simple and I'll try to explain each and every step very clearly so that everybody can follow along. If you guys are new to this channel and haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please do subscribe my channel. And yes, without any further ado, let's dive into the video. Alright, so here we're in Photoshop, and first thing first, let's create an artboard. And for that, press Ctrl and N, or you can go to File, click on New, it's the same thing. And let's go for 4:5 resolution to 300, color mode to RGB, bitrate to 8, and let's keep the rest as default, and let's click on Create. And then right after that, let's drag and drop this cloud image right over here. Let's make it a little smaller, and before that, let's convert it as a smart object and press Ctrl and T, and let's make it smaller, just like so. And let's make one more copy, Ctrl J, Ctrl T. Let's flip it in horizontal side and let's move it right around here. Alright, let's create a layer mask. Go to brush and make sure the color is black, and let's go for a soft round brush and let's erase these hard edges right around here. Now let's drag and drop another image. So here we go, this one, and let's keep it just like so right around here. Ctrl T. Let's add some rotation. Let's make it a little bigger. Yep, just like so. Let's do some adjustment for this main image. So go over here, let's add a level first, and let's click on clip to layer so that this level gonna affect this specific layer only. And let's make it a little darker. Yep, just like so. Yep, like that. And let's add a exposure, and let's click on clip to layer. Let's make it brighter. Yep, just like so. And let's fill this layer mask with color black, and go to brush, make sure the color is white, and let's create some highlights on the edges. So here we go. So just like that. Let's make the opacity a little down. Yep, just like so. Alright, so this is before and this is after, and let's go on very top. Let's add some right around here too. And let's add one more exposure, and let's make them darker. Click on clip to layer, and then let's fill it with black, and go to brush again, and let's make some shadows part just right around here. Let's keep them inside a group, Ctrl J, and let's rename it as image, and let's press Ctrl and T. Let's make it a little smaller, I guess. Yep, just like so. And let's create a one layer right around here, and go to brush, and then let's go for a kind of white color, and let's change the blending mode to color dodge, and let's add a kind of soft glow right around here. Yep, just like so. And let's go over here, create a new layer. Again, same thing, create a new layer, add color dodge, and maybe let's add a soft glow right around here, and let's change the opacity just like so. And let's go over here, create a new label, and let's make the background a little darker. Yep, just like so. And let's create a layer max on this layer. Go to brush, and let's go for this brush, and let's see, yep, this one, and let's make the color is black, and let's erase some of these parts just like so. And let's go on very top, add a new layer. Let's choose the kind of darker color just like so, and let's create one more. Let's go for another one. Let's see, let's go for this one, and let's change the color to kind of lighter color. Yep, just like so. And then let's go over here, and let's drag and drop this barcode image right over here. Let's keep it all the way to the bottom. Let's change the blending mode to screen, Control T. Let's make it a little smaller, just like so. And let's make a one more copy, Control J, Control T. Let's add a rotation just like that. And then now let's go over here, and let's add a color lookup. So go over here, click on load, and I'm going to use my windy sea scene alert. So select this one and click on load. So this is what we got. And let's merge everything, Control Shift Alt and E, and let's go to filter. Let's go to camera raw filter, and from here let's increase the shadow just like so. And before that, let's go to detail tab, increase the sharpening, and then let's increase the clarity first, increase the texture just like so, and then let's increase the exposure just like that, and let's drop down the highlights. Maybe the clarity, I guess it's too much. Yep, let's keep it maybe somewhere around here, and let's dehaze it just like so. And let's add some text. Drag and drop this image right over here. Let's change the blending mode to screen, Control T. Let's make it way bigger just like so. Let's create a layer max, go to brush, and let's erase some of these parts just like that. And again, let's merge everything, Control Shift Alt and E, go to pen tool, and let's right click, let's create make selection, and then Control Shift J, Control T. Let's move it a little on this side. Yep, just like so. And let's do the same thing right over here. make selection, Control Shift and J, Control T. Let's move it. That's the final, and I hope you guys learned something new from this tutorial, and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.